I'm thinking, based upon what you're saying, to go out and do something like that, today would be a good one.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
Tomorrow we'll be dancing with a few showers, but we're still excited. That's a good day. Brings a good thing.
We need it.
We desperately do need it. But even as you make your way into the weekend, we're going to have several dry hours out there. So things really are looking up. And don't forget, Iroquois Steeplechase happening on Saturday. It is always such a fun event. It's all about the fashion. And seriously, Eugene, I cannot wait for you to go sometime. People literally will bring rugs and bring furniture to the place where they hang out all day. I mean, I'm talking, it's huge. Beautiful tables. I mean, the scapes, the florals, it's, oh my stars. Like, it takes a lot to get this thing going. So it really is something to see.
I just want to get the hat.
And you're already thinking about your hat for next season.
Don't give it away.
Very excited about it. And it really is all about the fashion. But today we're all about that sunshine. The UV index is headed up to around a 9 as we go throughout our afternoon. It is going to be a breezy day, though. Winds will be around 15 miles per hour, then gusting as we go throughout the afternoon into those 20s, even near 30 miles per hour. So what's that going to do? Well, with the direction coming in out of the south-southwest, that's going to draw in a lot of heat. And that's why temperatures will go from below average to above as we head throughout today, with those highs headed back into the lower side of the 80s. Now, tomorrow, we do have a splash alert. We're going to have some showers, a few embedded thunderstorms, but this is more of a rain-type situation, and it will be on and off. It's not going to consume your entire day. The system, though, stalls out down along I-40 as we make our way throughout Tuesday night into parts of Wednesday. Because of the setup and how our soil is so dry, obviously we got to wake it up a little bit the other day, but it's still pretty rock hard in so many spots. The rain that comes down, especially if it is heavy and steady, a lot of that ends up being what? Runoff. And of course that goes into the rivers, the lakes, and the creeks, and that is helpful, but we need some for our soil. So in order to get that, we need to wake it up even more so. And that is why there is a slight flood concern as this will make its way. So, of course, those lower lying locations. Current temperature right now here in Nashville, 53 degrees. And to any of you that braved the swimming pools that may have opened up in your neighborhood this weekend, that water was really cold. We were out there still splashing around, and it was just a very chilly day. But today is looking a little more favorable. Water still will be cold, but the air temperature will be headed up. Over in Dixon, y'all are starting out at 53 this morning, and you'll notice on the power of 5 radars, we do have some showers and even thunderstorms into parts of Kentucky. For us, we are on the dry side. We're actually going to be in the warm sector as we go throughout today with those winds moving on in. And that's also going to help with our moisture feel outside. Now, it's not going to be humid, but you're going to notice things not being as dry as what they have been. Temperatures for us right now, significantly warmer than this time yesterday. Some of you 20 to even 23 degrees warmer. Clarksville, y'all are at 58, 54 in Columbia, Glasgow 53. Gallatin, though, you're coming in at 46, 43 for y'all over in McMinnville. And as we go throughout today, we'll continue to have those winds, but remember, it will be breezy at times. So a very easy day headed in your direction when it comes to today. And with those winds, that's just going to allow those temperatures to soar. We'll be in the low 70s by 10 o'clock this morning. Winds will be gusting at times into the 20s as well as low 30s. It'll still be quite breezy as we head our way into tomorrow as well. So as far as the look, a lot of sunshine, just some upper level clouds heading into your Monday. As we head overnight, we're still dry. It's tomorrow. Late morning into the afternoon, we'll see showers as well as thunderstorms. Again, the severe threat is very low to no. Notice how sporadic it is. It doesn't completely consume all of us. It's more so when we transition from Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're going to have the heaviest and steady activity, and unfortunately that does mean for some of us overnight. And then by Wednesday afternoon, we still have some spotty activity before this finally does start to exit. So how much rain are we talking? It's all about where are these bands going to set up shop. But right now, this goes through Wednesday morning, so this does not account for the rest of your Wednesday and Thursday, but areas off to the west, upwards of an inch, while the rest of us a quarter to half an inch. The severe threat is very low, 1 to 5 Henry, Carroll counties, and then going into Wednesday, there'll be areas closer to the Alabama-Tennessee state line. Your 7-day forecast highs today will top out at 81 degrees. Tomorrow back in the 50s with afternoon high near 80 as you head your way into Tuesday. Scattered showers, a few embedded thunderstorms were wet overnight, continue to be scattered throughout our Wednesday. Thursday, a few isolated showers, 66. Friday, we look to have some showers early, and then that clears out for your afternoon, 75 degrees with some spotty showers and temperatures hanging close to average going into the weekend.